Hackers are spending less time trying to break into your network and spending way more time trying to hack a much, much easier target. Any idea what that target is? You. Having a system that filters spam email used to be sufficient, but those days are long gone. Here are 7 things that your managed services provider should be doing for you so you don't get scammed or have your data stolen or encrypted with ransomware. Number 1, most important, ensure you have multi-factor authentication enabled, also called MFA. Number 2, ensure your emails are getting scanned for viruses and malicious links before they wind up in your inbox. Number 3, ensure you have measures in place so that when you get an email that looks like it's coming from someone inside your organization, but it actually isn't, you'll have a warning bar in the email to make sure you know. Number 4, ensure that emails being sent by domains or IP addresses that are on a known blacklist are automatically blocked. Number 5, put measures in place to ensure that international countries cannot log into your account unless your administrator creates a temporary exception if you're traveling. Number 6, ensure that measures are in place that if an account in your organization suddenly starts sending out spam, it's immediately blocked. And last, number 7, ensure that measures are in place to prevent certain employees from being able to email credit card numbers, bank account numbers, or any other type of sensitive data. Now, don't just assume this is in place. Ask your MSP to confirm it in writing. And if they're not doing it or they don't know how, find another MSP that will. Because not having these measures in place isn't a risk that our clients are willing to take, and neither should you. Because we go through our days thinking everything's just fine until something happens and then it's not.